As of recently, the death of Hachalu Hundaysa, an Oromo musician, has sincerely rocked Oromos to the core. His death and assassination has proved to us that Abiy Ahmed is no longer fit to be our leader, as he has failed to deliver the peace that he has promised. Ethiopia has erupted into chaos and violence because the 2019 Nobel Peace Prize winner has resorted to ethnic cleansing of his own ethnicity, and we are disgusted by it. We urge the Australian government to stop funding the Ethiopian government with our taxation money, as it is being used by a government who are killing and wiping us out. Over 3,000 peaceful protesters have been arrested since the death of Hachalu, 2 of them being Bekele Gerba and Jawar Mohammed. They have been arrested for the early crimes that are waking up the Oromo people to the oppression that they have been facing. And to make the Neftanyas happy, imprison them for calling out to the Oromo people, for waking up the Oromo people. They may cut off the internet in Ethiopia, but we here will still continue the fight for our people. We demand the involvement of the world. We demand justice. Injifannon to ummata Oromora.